Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you what kind of packaging and wrapping I use when it's time to send my candle to the customer. So first I use bubble wrapping or bubble bag, then I put it in a velvet, very pretty gift bag, and all this then go into a shiny, beautiful gift box, which is in this case silver. And here we go, it goes in, and then I stick thank you label, and after all this obviously it goes into a regular mail box. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.